The Electrician exam prep book contains an error in the power cost calculation. The question involves determining the annual cost of power consumption based on kilowatt usage and the cost per kilowatt hour. Let's break down the correct calculation step by step. The initial calculation in the book leads to a discrepancy in the final answer. We'll focus on identifying where the error occurs and providing the accurate steps to arrive at the correct solution. The provided information gives us a kilowatt usage of 0.1728 kilowatts. The cost per kilowatt hour is 8.6 cents. The goal is to determine the total annual cost of running this electrical load. Firstly, let's address the cost per kilowatt hour. The provided information states 8.6 cents per kilowatt hour. To convert this to dollars per kilowatt hour, divide 8.6 by 100, resulting in $0.086 per kilowatt hour. This is where the calculation in the book might be confusing to some people. Now, multiply the kilowatt usage by the cost per kilowatt hour. 0.086 multiplied by 0.1728 equals 0.01486. This represents the cost per hour. Secondly, we need to calculate the daily cost. To do this, multiply the hourly cost by 24 hours in a day. 0.01486 multiplied by 24 equals 0.35664. This is the cost per day. Thirdly, let's calculate the annual cost. Multiply the daily cost by 365 days in a year. 0.35664 multiplied by 365 equals 13.01736. This result indicates an annual cost of approximately $13.02. This corrected calculation demonstrates that the accurate annual cost is $13.02, not $130 as the book may suggest. Therefore, the correct answer is $13 per year. Let's recap the steps. Firstly, convert cents per kilowatt hour to dollars per kilowatt hour. Secondly, multiply kilowatt usage by the cost per kilowatt hour to find the hourly cost. And thirdly, multiply the hourly cost by 24 to find the daily cost. And finally, multiply the daily cost by 365 to find the annual cost. By following these steps, you can accurately calculate the cost of power consumption. This corrected example should provide a clearer understanding of how to solve similar power cost calculation problems in your electrician exam preparation. Understanding the relationship between power consumption, cost per kilowatt hour, and time is crucial for accurate electrical calculations and cost estimations. Always double-check your work and ensure you understand the units of measurement. A small error in a decimal place can lead to a significant difference in the final result. Practicing similar problems will help you develop confidence in your ability to solve these types of electrical calculations accurately. Remember to pay close attention to the details provided in the problem and use the correct formulas.